And the wheels, they look like, well, probably McLaren wheels. And a whole bunch of spokes. Lots and lots of spokes. 10, 15, 20. Who knows how many spokes are on there. But, yeah. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. The other day I showed you guys we got this little tiny case of cars from Mattel, from Hot Wheels. And told you I was going to show them to you, and here we are. These are the latest exotics from the car culture line. Alright. There are two sets in this case. This is number 4, which is the Bugatti. No, another Bugatti. There's two, like I said. Let's see where we got here. Doopy-doopy-doo. And, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, look at that. There we go. There we go. And there we go for that one. And there we go for that one. All right, this is the D mix, and there are 5 cars in the mix. Gonna take these and put them down here. Whoop! Almost lost it. All right, there we go. Let's get right to it. Number 1, the Exotic Envy series, apparently. This is the McLaren Senna, and that is done in a machine gray. A really plain Jane machine gray. I don't know why they would do that, but no metallic in it, no nothing. Has some, looks like black interior. The canopy is smoked really, really dark on it. Headlights done up as part of the, looks like part of the canopy there. Tail lights done up really, really nice on it. You know, that's a nice thing about these exotics, the car culture stuff. They're done really, really well. Probably why they cost, you know, $5. A lot of detail. And, of course, don't forget the rubber tires, all right? And the really cool wheels. Has a flat, no, this has got a semi-gloss black base on it, metal base. And the wheels, they look like, well, probably McLaren wheels. And a whole bunch of spokes. Lots and lots of spokes. 10, 15, 20. Who knows how many spokes are on there. But, yeah, there are lots of black spokes on these wheels and with rubber tires. Let's see, anything else with it? Yeah, that's about it. Nothing really strikes me on this thing, but one of them stealth cars. And go driving around middle of the night and nobody's going to see you. Number 2 is the Aston Martin Vulcan. And that is done in a pearl. Light pearl orange. And lots and lots of pearl and metallic in it. Has looks like maybe a carbon fiber roof on it. Windows are, man, like really, really black. Black plastic. I can't even see in there. If there's an interior in there, good. You can see it. Let me know. But man, it is really, really dark. The scoops on the front, done up in black. Got the Aston Martin logo on the nose. The taillights got a little red stripe on them. This thing's gonna go by you so fast. You're not gonna see the taillights, so don't worry about it. By the time the guy hits the brake lights, who knows where you're going to be? He's going to be way far ahead of you. Got a big black plastic spoiler on the back. Again, with a semi-gloss black painted metal base. The wheels are blacked out. And, well, you know what? I'm just going to show you pictures of them. And if you guys want to tell me what kind of wheels they are, leave them in the comments below. Because, you know, naming all these wheels is getting really, really crazy for me. So, there you go. It has rubber tires again. I see tread on these tires. So it's got a little tampo on the side there, and that is about it. So that is number 2, the Aston Martin Vulcan. Vulcan. Hey, that was that guy from what is that? live long and prosper. Mr. Spock, that's the guy. He was a Vulcan. Let's see. Number 3 is the Aston Martin Valhalla concept. And that is done in a really dark red, maroon kind of enamel looking thing with no metallic in it. The interior, I'm going to guess, is black. The canopy and window is very, very, very dark. Looks like the rear engine cover looks like black plastic, or maybe the plastic is painted black. Side has black plastic in it for vent maybe. Goes along with the interior. Headlights are painted. Logo is on the nose. Tail lights done up also. They look really nice. They're done in dark gray. The base is a semi-gloss black painted metal base. And the wheels, are they just like the McLaren? Yeah, look like the McLaren ones. Whole bunch of spokes on there. And has rubber tires also. Cool looking car, but you know, I don't know. I just don't like the normal plain paint jobs on them. You know, I think they should be really, really sparkly. But hey, that's just me. You know. Number 4 is the 2016 Bugatti Chiron, and that is done in a nice blue pearl metallic. Got real nice color to it. Got black on the back half. Got gray outline on it. Interior is dark charcoal gray. Windows are tinted pretty dark on it. The tail lights done up really nice. There is a dark gray or a dark charcoal gray section back there for the whole rear panel, but the tail lights are done, and says Chiron on the back. Headlights are done. The front grille is done. Everything is really done nice on this. Really good, nice detail on it. The wheels look like GT308 wheels. Actually, they're blacked out, and got big ones in the back, little ones in front, and it has, man, they got a lot of tread on those tires. But then again, that's what, 200 some odd mile an hour car. So yeah, you better hang on the road. And need some big tires. But yeah, that's a nice looking car. 2016 Bugatti Chiron. Number 5, last one in the set. And that is Lamborghini Hurricane LP610-4. And that is done in a green pearl. Nice bright green pearl on there. The windows are tinted, and the interior is black. That's pretty nice. Really cool. The taillights done up really nice. I mean, really, really nice. The headlights are done. The front grille is painted up. Got the logo, the Lamborghini logo right there on the nose. This car looks really, really nice. Now this is how I like them. You know, they're nice and bright. The wheels, it's got some really cool exotic chrome 5-spokes on it. Really good looking car. You know, you look at the McLaren, and McLaren looks like one, you know, like one of them NASCAR cars that they haven't gotten to paint yet. But hey, that's just me, But like I said, I like them nice and bright and shiny and sparkly, and you know, you're gonna pay $500,000 for a car. I want it to look nice. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's really cool looking car. Lamborghini Hurricane, and this has got a, you guessed it, semi-gloss black painted metal base on it. And let's see, tires, yeah, not as much bite as the other one, so this must be a slower car, huh? But yeah, that is it. All 5 cars in the exotic MV series. You know, my choice is definitely the Lamborghini, because I think it's pretty. You know, I'm one of them guys like, ooh, shiny, ooh, look at that. But yeah, there it is, Lamborghini. That is number 5. There are all 5 of them, and that is it. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, hopefully we'll see you somewhere else. Maybe at Walmart, at a toy show, convention. I hope so. All right. guys take care of yourselves. And like I said, if you know what those wheels are, leave us a comment below. Make sure you give us a comment. Always give us a comment. Please subscribe. Please be kind to one another. Please share our videos. And we'll see you guys around. Bye-bye.